Today we will learn how to make photo portrait and birthday posts like this. Open Pixellab and double-click on text. Write your text and change the font. Click on text and change the color. Now go to Stroke Select option and enable Stroke. Select the white color and increase the size up to 10. Click on plus icon and select the shape. Take one rectangle and adjust the size like this. Change the color of this rectangle. Reduce the capacity of rectangle and check alignment. Text and rectangle should be equal from the top. Then increase the capacity full of rectangle. Bring the text on the top and make one copy of this text. Go to Layer and hide one copy of text. We will use later this copy. Now again go to Layer and merge the rectangle and text. Convert into group. Now go to this option and select the erase color. Enable it and select the drop paint tool and select the black color. Now click on plus icon and select the birthday baby photo. Adjust the photo in the text and send it back. Click on Photo and make one copy with the same size. And adjust it on the first photo. Check your cropping point and click on Crop and crop the photo like this. Click on Layer and merge the both photo and text. Now again click here and go to Erase Color. And this time select the red color. Now go to Layer and unhide the second text. Bring it on the top and adjust it on main text. Click on Text and go to Texture option. Upload your background image.
Heartbreak is a wonderful price to pay. We came so far through all we
Now send this text to backward. And go to Layer and merge it. Make it one group.
between us won't marry us. But one day we can be together.
Click on this option and then click on Image and change the background image.
I say that you and I have found a piece of heaven. So why we can be together.
Adjust in the middle. And now we will write the happy birthday text. Click on plus icon and select New Text. Merge the text. Give the stroke and shadow.
You are my weakness. I tried to let you go. I blocked your number. It's hard to tell you no. I know you've got bad intentions. Oh, it feels so good to have attention. Yeah, no one has to know. No one has to know you're my guilty pleasure. Keep it on the low. Keep it on the low. You're my guilty pleasure.
If you like this tutorial, please subscribe, like, and comment.